Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you if it is possible to see and send message on Messenger. There is not any feature in Messenger that allows user to see and send messages. Once a message is unsent by the sender, it disappears from the both senders and the recipient's chat thread. This is a built-in feature of Messenger designed to respect users' privacy and allow them to retract message if they wish. If someone sends you a message and then unsends it, you won't be able to see the content that message unless you happen to see it before it was unsent. There are no workarounds or settings to change this behavior within the Messenger app itself. While Messenger offers convenient features for communication, it's essential to be mindful of unsent messages and their implications. You have to respect the privacy of others by refraining from attempting to view or retrieve and send messages as they are intended to remain private between the sender and the recipient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.